When Sarah found out she had only 3 hours to prepare for her friends coming over, panic kicked in. But instead of losing her cool, she unlocked her secret arsenal of party prep hacks to turn chaos into a Pinterest-perfect gathering. Here's how she nailed it. Sarah grabbed a basket of fairy lights and candles, strategically placing them around the living room for instant ambience. She tossed a cozy throw blanket over her sofa and added some colorful cushions. It went from bland to boho chic in minutes. Sarah sprinted to her kitchen, raided her pantry, and assembled a stunning charcuterie board. Crackers, cheese cubes, grapes, nuts, and chocolate chunks came together effortlessly. The secret? Group similar colors and textures for an Insta-worthy display. Next, she turned on a feel-good classics playlist. Meanwhile, Sarah dimmed the lights slightly to create a warm, inviting vibe. Sarah quickly set up a drink station with a few wine bottles, mixers, and a jar of citrus slices. Guests could serve themselves while she relaxed. When the doorbell rang, Sarah smiled confidently. Who knew 3 hours could turn into the perfect party prep window?